Hey everyone, welcome to App and Web Workshop. Today, I'm showing you how to cancel your TikTok subscription. First, open the TikTok app and tap the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Then tap the three-line menu at the top right and select Settings and Privacy. Now, scroll down to Support and About and tap on the Help Center. From here, tap on the Submit a Report. Here, you'll type your problem just like this. I want to cancel the subscription, but I can't find the option to cancel it. Please help me cancel the subscription. After typing your reason for canceling, then hit the Submit button. TikTok support will review your request and get back to you shortly with next steps to complete the cancellation. And that's how you cancel your TikTok subscription through the app. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Drop any questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching.